Uranium. Uranium is probably getting ready for another push higher. In the past few years, we've seen uranium go through two major long-term rallies. One from mid-2021 to mid-2022, and another during the second half of 2023. And now, with a fresh $200 million raise by SPUT, the Sprott Uranium Fund, we may be on the verge of the next phase of that longer-term rally. On the 15th of June, Sprott Uranium Fund announced $100 million bought deal financing, and due to strong investor demand, it was almost immediately upsized to $200 million. Uranium price, as you see on the screen, jumped by over $8, close to $9. That is over 12 to 13%. A clear sign that the market players are paying attention. There are two important things to notice here. First, this kind of fast upsized raise signals that institutional capital is again paying attention to uranium market. This demonstrates institutional confidence in uranium's tightening fundamentals, which, by the way, we discuss in detail in our Best on the Internet uranium reports. Market tightness does suggest that financial players are ready to re-enter and push marginal demand higher. The second thing to notice is that a rising spot uranium price may actually pressure utilities, the nuclear power generators, to step back into the market sooner rather than later. Look at this chart with so much under contracting in recent years. That's over a decade of under contracting. Again, see our uranium report for more details at myfinancesteacher.org. With so much under contracting, many utilities are now exposed to price risk. And as prices start to move higher again, they may want to lock in supply before it gets more expensive. Large-scale contracting could drive that third wave of the rally for new highs. Would you agree? Or perhaps no new highs in this third wave yet. But wait, there is more. There is also another potential catalyst on the horizon. If Yellowcake, another fund, exercises its 2025 option to purchase 100 million worth of uranium, they usually buy that much every year. If they exercise this option later this year, that would add more fuel to the fire. Combined with the Sprott Uranium Fund's new buying power and with typical contracting season in late fall for most of the power generators, for most utilities, this kind of combined momentum could result in a serious rally. So overall, we see that at least financial interest is returning to uranium. We'll see how about the generators, and historically it often sparks another major move higher. Let me leave you with this question. Will we see a $140 uranium price this year? Let me know down in the comments below. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.